Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This clean one-owner 2021 Can-Am SPYDER F3 Limited SE6 with only 4,904 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an onboard computer. It's been upgraded with an RLS exhaust and handlebars. The SPYDER is a dynamic vehicle that offers riders the thrill of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels. It stands out from anything else on the road with its unique design. Powered by a 1330cc 3-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 988 pounds and has a 26.6-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.